Okay. Campanelli, the first family of clean. Set of 2 multi-purpose collapsible baskets. I've never seen anything like this. This is ingenious, and I love that we are talking about keep it clean, right? It folds down to very, very shallow. Oh, how cute. You can use it to clean your doggies as well. All right, a set of 2. It is customer top rated. It is a 15-liter bucket and a 20-liter bucket with dual carry handles, a flexible silicone insert. Oh, I love the little doggy as well. All right, Kylie Watts, sale price on this. There's only one color, taupe. Nice to see you,
nice
friend.
To be here.
Once
Thanks
again,
for having me.
Customer top rated. I've never seen anything like this from the first family clean.
Yeah,
Talk to me.
The Campanellis are always innovating, which we love, and we know when it comes to keeping your house clean, keeping your house organized is half the battle, right? So what they created was a really great solution for buckets and baskets and things that we have, but when you're not using them, they actually nest into in themselves, so you don't have to find a place to store your storage.
Yeah.
And what they are is you get the 2 sizes, but they're a combination of silicone and a heavy-duty plastic. So as I pull up on them, you can see you've got a great silicone area right here that's cushy, but a super hard kind of plastic bottom right there. So you could put water, you can use these to mop, you can use these to store things, you can use them out in the garden to wash your car. It's awesome, and when you're not using them, they literally collapse down. And here's what's great about them is the capacity is very much equivalent to something like this, where it's big, it's bulky. So the smaller one, the 15-liter, is about 4 gallons that you can hold inside of this, and then the bigger one is over what this guy holds. So over, it's like 5.2 gallons in this one, which is great.
That's crazy, and it folds down to nothing.
Yeah.
But I also love that it has, you know, it's this handle as well.
Yeah. So here's just a few options, of course, when we're talking about cleaning that you might want to use these for. So underneath that sink that you have all of your cleaning products that could maybe spill and get all over the place, this is a great way to organize them. That way, when it's cleaning day.
Is this adjustable to height?
Yes. Oh, it is.
Oh,
and we've got them all adjusted right there, too, so you can see.
Smart.
And then, of course, here's one with the great camp towels in here. Maybe this is something you're going to put right in the trunk.
How tall this one gets, right?
Well, you can see it right there in the video, too. Everyone's going to adjust to multiple positions. So there's Joe right there grabbing out what he needs to wash his car. Even has one where the hose goes inside of that to keep that nice and contained. You can fill them with water because they're kind of like a bucket and a basket kit, right? You know?
I've never seen anything like this.
It's really, really unique.
I love this. Waterproof, too.
Yeah, and then when he's not using it, folds down. People use them in the car. Minivans, cars. In the garden, they're great, whether you're harvesting your fruits and veggies or maybe you're doing a little weeding, take them to the beach. You can fill them with ice, too, so when you're entertaining, they could become that tray to keep your food cool.
Could be an ice bucket.
Exactly. Here you can see little Walker right out there getting a drink, which is great too. And then when you're not using them, they collapse down. But here's the height adjustability on them. So this is that same bucket, but in different heights. So you saw in the video, ice in this. You could put some food on here to keep it cold.
Really durable, flexible silicone too, right? And plastic,
Then this one we had at the second height. That's what we were using to keep kind of our cleaners adjusted. Then at full capacity, that could be that bucket, you know, that thing that you put water in. You could wash the dog inside of this if you've got a teeny dog. It really is going to be unique and individual for everyone, but they're a great thing to have on hand.
Show them the 2 sizes real quick.
You got it.
You're getting 2 of these, right?
Well, and I'll open them up too so you can see.
Yes,
so
exactly.
Here's the one we call the 15-liter. This is about a 4-gallon capacity inside of this right here. So that's one of the sizes that you get. And then let me pop the bigger one
look
up.
How easy it like snaps up, right?
Yes, and then there's the bigger one. This is 5.2 gallons inside of here. You've got that hard bottom right there. And yeah, it's super easy. You literally pop them down when you're not using them. They nest inside of each other, so you're not looking for a place to store your storage. Super small and compact, but really useful around the house.
Just think about like your cleaning supplies. How are you like lugging those around, right? And so many different ways. I love that it's collapsing down to such a narrow profile, but you can use these for so many things. Walk them through, Karen.
Yeah, so you're gonna see it right here. Think about underneath. When you've got all those cleaners, you can't get to the back right here. Put them all inside of this basket. You can pop it out. Here you can see Joyce is pre-soaking some clothes. Maybe she's getting out some stains before they go in the laundry. You can use them as a laundry basket too, which is great. Here she's filling it up to wash one of those They're little doggies.
Doggy one.
I know, it's so cute, which
Yeah.
is adorable, but you could wash your car with these.
It's so cute. I miss my doggy.
Oh, I know,
Aw.
I know. I don't have a little guy like
Oh,
that,
craft
but
room.
crafting it's amazing for. I've used them with my holiday lights around my house, put a
Yeah.
lot of light bulbs in them, and then you can go from place to place. People even take them to the grocery store, so they have their own little basket
Smart.
because, you know, nobody else's hands are touching it.
Yeah, it
Then
keeps
you
it
collapse
clean.
them down, keep them in the car too. I mean, they're just one of those things that when you get them home, you're going to wish you had more because they're so incredibly useful.
I have never seen anything like it, but people have taken it home and they're like, oh, I love it. And that's why it's customer top
Oh, yeah, the
rated.
reviews are
You're
killer.
getting
They're
two
so
of
good.
these and it collapses down like boop, 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 down to boom. That. All right, customer top rated, one color choice tote.
Yeah.
And you know what? It's so good for like the cleaning supplies too. All right, Kylie's gonna be joining me again, right, Kylie?
Oh, yes, I've got a few more things to show you in
Okay.
the show.